aspire to live a long, healthy life? Would you like to age well? According to an old Tibetan proverb, the secret to living well and longer is to eat half, walk double, laugh triple, and love without measure. Your life and your time is precious. Escape to the sun, sea, and tropical breeze on a journey to absolute wellness. Unwind, realign, and have adventures. Restore and rejuvenate your body, mind, and soul. Let go of your fears and recover ultimate health freedom. Redefine your life's purpose and share your story. And let us share our story with you. Wellness is an effort, an active search for a better you. We will provide a healing environment for you to rejuvenate and revitalize. Join us on this journey of discovery. Let us show you your best you.